Hey everybody, Carolina Gun Guy here. I recently ordered the Sig Sauer Romeo-MSR green dot sight that you see in front of you from Palmetto State Armory, and I'm going to do a quick no-frills unboxing video today. I ordered this on August 12th. I got a shipping notification from Palmetto State August 13th, and I had it delivered by August 14th, so it was very quick delivery, very quick shipping. I know a lot of people like to get these little stickers. I don't really care, but it did come with a sticker for those of you who are wondering. I'll go ahead and toss that off to the side now. So here is the box of the Romeo-MSR 1x20 compact red dot sight. The specs are right here on the side. It's a 1x20 with a riser mount and see-through flip back covers on it. As you can see by looking, I have not broken the seal on it yet. So here are the specs on the back. Has a 1632 battery, up to 20,000 hours of runtime, 12 illumination settings, blah, blah, blah. So I'll go ahead and open it now, and we'll take a look at what came inside. So here it is. Little booklet. Here is the green dot. I may call it red dot during the video. I apologize. That is just kind of out of habit, but it is a green dot sight. You can see the mount on it, Romeo MSR. MSR obviously stands for Modern Sporting Rifle, Sig Sauer. It does have the adjustable settings on top here, and it has the turrets that have the protection from the outside. They do not have a cap on the turrets, but they are there. Go ahead and open these caps so we can look down the end of it through the sight. They're on there tight. There we go. It's very clear, actually. Even with the caps closed, the caps are see-through and clear. We get them closed all the way. And those caps don't want to close easily. I'll leave them up, whatever. So you can see that it's very clear all the way through. A lot of times these have a little bit of a green tint for a green dot or a red tint for a red dot. You can barely kind of see that, but these are extremely clear just looking directly through. So let me go ahead and get the battery out and install the battery on it. Got this little tool here. Little tool for the battery and for opening stuff. So as I mentioned, it's a 1632 battery, not a 2032. And in case you're wondering, the 1632 actually is the measurement. It's 16 millimeters wide by 3.2 millimeters thick. The 2032 is the opposite, or not the opposite, but the same. 20 millimeters wide by 3.2 millimeters thick. So let me go ahead and use the little tool here to get the cover off the battery compartment. Stick the battery in. Get it in firm. Get it on tight. Go ahead and turn it off. So the settings here on the side, it is off right here. You have 2 night settings. Man, it is tough. I mean, there's no way you're going to accidentally bump this off or on. I'll go ahead and put it on setting 4. We can take a look through it at the 4 setting. Let me go ahead and get a dark background. So you can see the red dot there. It is a crisp, clear dot. Let me do my best to kind of zoom in here. Take a look at it. So it's a nice, clean, small dot. And that is on the 4 setting, as I mentioned. I'll go ahead and drop it down and see if we can still see it at like 2. So you can still see it at 2. I'll drop it down to 1. It's visible at 1 even. Let me put on one of the night settings. Yeah, in this light, I can't see any of the night settings. I'll go ahead and put it all the way up to the highest setting, which is 10. And you can see it is a very bright dot at the 10 setting. Now, as far as price goes, I mentioned I bought this last week. We're in mid-August right now, from Palmetto State Armory, and as of this morning, today, Monday, August 17th, it is still the same price that I bought it for, $99.99. Normally retails 130 to 150, but it is on sale right now at Palmetto State Armory for $99.99. And I'll go ahead and put a link to the Palmetto State Armory page where you can pick this up for that price in the comments and the description below, just in case you want to get one also. That's it. I'm hoping it works out well. I've seen some decent reviews. I've seen good and bad, honestly. And at $100, it's kind of a gamble. But I'm hoping it turns out to be on the positive side. I'll update you guys later. I'll do new videos when I do my full review, like I mentioned. But other than that, if you guys have any experience with this and you've had one and you have good or bad to say about it, please put it in the comments below. I'm interested to see what you say. That's it for right now. Thanks for watching. God bless.